I was super excited when I saw it coming, but guys, that's unreal. Hey y'all, it's Regina, your host of Eat Drink Local Texas, and today I'm here at a restaurant serving up diverse dishes from the Mediterranean with a Spanish twist. I'm here at Acu Bistro Bar. Let's go ahead and check them out. Okay guys, well I'm here today with the owners and chefs of the restaurant, Jeff and Carlo. Thank y'all so much for having us here today.
You're welcome, thanks for coming.
So I have a couple of questions for you. What inspired y'all to open up your restaurant?
So we come from two different culinary backgrounds, Jeff and I. He always had pizzerias. I had a catering company that focused on Spanish food. And we just decided to meld that with our love of all Mediterranean cuisine together. Taking inspiration from different countries, from Spain, from Greece, from Italy, from Israel, and just melding it all into one menu. And basically that's our inspiration for opening.
And can you give me a little backstory of the name of your restaurant?
So Acu was my mother's nickname. We take a lot of inspiration from her because her sense of hospitality was just out there. And there was always, our door was always open, there was always food, there was always parties. So we drive a lot of that vibe.
That's an amazing story. And what makes your restaurant so different from the ones that we have here in San Antonio?
I think as far as the cuisine goes, although we're Mediterranean, I feel like we try to incorporate local. So we kind of think of ourselves as eclectic Mediterranean with a modern Texas twist. We try and source as much ingredients as we can locally, whether it's our produce, whether it's quail or our seafood, things like that. But I think the other reason that we feel like we set ourselves apart is that we are hands-on. We're not only the owners, we're also the chefs, the cooks. So any dish you order here is not only made to order, it's also going to be made by Chef Carlo. And I think that really makes a difference. We're able to focus our attention to a lot more details than maybe other restaurants can.
Yeah, I love y'all's menu. What would you say is your most popular dishes or your fan favorites?
I think we're definitely known for our paella and our pizza. I think those are definitely the two best sellers.
Well, I'm super excited to try out the amazing dishes that y'all are going to be preparing for me today. So let's go ahead and try them out. Okay guys, well look at this amazing spread of food that they have for me today. So I'm gonna be starting right here. And what is this first dish?
That is our hummus. Most people know hummus, but it's chickpeas with tahini, which is sesame paste, and we top it with ground beef and pine nuts, and with za'atar seasoning, which is a mixture of oregano, thyme, sesame seeds, and sumac. We have a whole list of dips that we serve with our fresh pita bread that we make daily. And it includes tzatziki, baba ganoush, a lot of your, Mediterranean, typical Mediterranean dips.
I honestly think that is the best hummus I have ever tried. I was super excited when I saw it coming, but guys, that's unreal. And it's topped with the beef, right?
Yes.
Yeah, guys, it's super delicious. So now let's move on to one of the pizzas that they serve here.
So that's going to be our Texaranian pizza. It starts with roasted corn. It's got fresh cut Roma tomatoes, fresh cut red onion. We finish it with some feta and Aleppo pepper.
Guys, that's amazing. I love the corn on it. It's kind of sweet, but the cheese really balances it out.
Yeah, definitely.
And we use pesto as a base, so I think that plays off the corn really well.
Yeah, that's really, really good. I'm super excited. I'm loving everything right now. So this pizza is...
That's our lamb pizza. So that's going to be our homemade ground lamb. It's going to have Kalamata olives. It's going to have pine nuts and feta cheese as well.
And what's the base on that?
It's a herb oil, which has a mix of mint, parsley, cilantro.
Yeah, that's really, really good. It's nothing like, I've never tried anything like this, which is what I love. I can see the mixture of all the different parts of the Mediterranean that y'all were talking about. It's very different food, guys, but they also do have classics here, like...
Our classic margarita pizza, it's going to be Roma tomatoes, fresh basil, fresh mozzarella, and our pork pizza, which is going to be our homemade Italian sausage, pepperoni, salami, and fresh mozzarella as well.
Yeah, guys, but the big dish here, and one of the fan favorites that they were talking about today is their paella, and this is your signature paella, right?
Yes, the paella, which has pork ribs, chicken wings, the Spanish chorizo. As far as seafood goes, we put shrimp, scallops, calamari, mussels, clams, and it's just an amazing dish.
And this is a dish that they prepared, and it took a little bit longer to prepare, right? Because it's so delicate and stuff.
Yes, so we do make it to order. Everything's made fresh, and especially the paella. It does take about half an hour to 45 minutes to make, but I think it's worth the wait.
Wow. This is such good food. Literally, everything was delicious. Everything is really fresh, which I love. And how many different types of paellas do y'all have?
We have 3 different types. This is our acu, which includes the pork, the chicken, and the seafood. We have one that does not include any seafood, and we have one that's only seafood, but we also make that one with squidding, so it's a black rice.
Oh. Yeah, guys, so as you can see, they have a very diverse menu. Everything is so perfectly seasoned, and I think everything has its own personal touch, which I really, really like. Everything's cohesive, but in a different way. And the paella was delicious. The seafood was super, super fresh, and as you can see, it has everything on it, but they also have different types of paellas that'll fit everyone's specific needs, and they also do have really yummy drinks. And what are these drinks?
That is our sangria.
So we make that with fresh juice, fresh wine.
Yeah, because
made to order as well.
I can tell when it's artificial because it's super sugary.
Yes.
Super, super sugary, and it almost overpowers the wine.
Correct.
But this one is a perfect balance. You can really taste the wine in there, which I personally like. And then this one, which is super fun.
That's our smoky basil. It's a mezcal drink that we make with pineapple juice and hibiscus syrup.
I've never had anything like it. It's really, really good. Everything here, guys, is delicious. Again, my favorite was the hummus. It's unreal. Like nothing I've ever tried here in San Antonio. They're very unique and, as you said, eclectic and take inspiration from all the different parts of the Mediterranean, which I love. And guys, do y'all have anything else you want to say to our followers?
I think, come check us out. We've got patio dining, we've got indoor dining, so, whichever you prefer.
It'd be great if you subscribe to our website because we have weekly specials, and that's one of the main places you can see where we change the menu up weekly.
And do y'all have any happy hour specials here?
We do. We have drink specials, food specials. Happy hour is going to be Tuesday to Thursday from 5 to 7.
And do y'all have any catering or anything like that?
We do cater. We do special events. We also do off-menu catering. So if there's anything that you think might want that we don't have on the menu, he can make it happen.
That's really good. I mean, y'all accommodate everyone, as y'all can see with their menu. It's super diverse, but there really is something for everyone here. Make sure you follow their Instagram, their Facebook, and as he said, go on their website. Their menu is on there. They have indoor and outdoor patio seating. And when y'all come in here and try their amazing food and their amazing drinks, make sure you let them know that Eat Drink Local Texas sent you. Bye, guys.
The way you just came around the corner.
Today, so let's go ahead and try them out. Was someone laughing? Oh.